Beautiful crest. 8:30 Saturday on 3.
Crest.
Big names, big stakes, big blow-ups.
Hello, little man.
Welcome to the big game. It's the new generation of poker on TV, and we've saved you a seat at the table. I love this show. Watch. One lucky poker hopeful is given $100,000 and the opportunity to play against the world's greatest players.
This is not a good move.
It's the PokerNumbers.net big game. Friday nights after Sports Tonight on 3.
Everything you know about Shine. New color sensational, the Shine from Maybelline, New York. The first high shine color in a stick. Now
Get him to give you a kiss.
illuminated honey nectar creates the most luxurious smooth the Shine.
Who's this?
Successful DIY starts at -10.
You're looking away. You're looking the wrong way.
For just $109 each. Paintbrushes? Get 2 Power Pack 3-piece brush packs. That's 6 brushes for $4.
What you doing, little man?
Remove dampness with a dehumidifier. Extracts 10 litres a day. Only $119.
Okay.